Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action for gold US dollar currency pairs from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economic events plan for today, Monday, July 3rd at 7:15 AM we have medium impact news for Chinese yuan. At 12 PM we have high impact news plan for Swiss franc related currency pairs. At 12:45 PM we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. We have Canadian bank holiday, and at 7:30 PM we have high impact news and medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and I have also marked the support and resistance levels for the current price action in daily time frame. Overall, when we look at the current trend of the price action is still trading above this support line or the trend line from the daily time frame, so it is still in a bullish trend. Currently it has made a retracement to this support line. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this support line and continues its bearish side retracement, based on which you can make decisions whether to hold your bearish side trade or to cut your bearish side trade and take a fresh bullish side trades. Looking at the current candle, it has made a indecision candle at this level, which shows that there are equal levels of buyers and sellers sitting over here, and the next candle has gone green color, but it has not broken the previous high, which means that we have to wait for the price action to break the previous high in order to get the confirmation on the trend reversal on the bullish side. As we know from the previous price action analysis also, currently the price action is in a bearish side retracement, and the retracement will continue as long as the price action is trading below this red color resistance line. So currently it has taken support around the 61% of the Fibonacci's retracement level, and we are noticing the price action to react to this support zone, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. For now the price action is only reacting to this support level, so even if the price action bounces back, we can expect it to take resistance on this resistance line from the daily time frame, and if the price action fails to break this resistance line, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in daily time frame. So if the bearish side trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1867, and once this support zone is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1812. And in case if the price action manages to break this resistance level of 1940, which is the 50% of the Fibonacci's retracement level, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in daily time frame, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1970 and 2007. And for now the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend. We can expect the bullish side bounce back to retest on this resistance line, but it is not a trend reversal, it is only a retracement. And in the lower time frame you can be trading within this resistance line and the support lines. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a resistance line connecting the highs of the past price action, and previously it was in a very nice bearish trend, and after testing this daily time frame support zone, which is the 61% of the Fibonacci's retracement level, the price has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. So for now this zone is acting as a very strong support zone for the 4 hours time frame also, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and if the price action continues its bullish side retracement, we can expect it to find resistance around this level of 1940, because this zone had acted as a very strong support zone in the past price action. So this will be acting as a resistance zone for the future price action, and also we have a daily time frame resistance line running over here. It has to break this resistance line in order to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1970. For now, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance line and the support line before it can give a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, previously it was in a bearish trend, and after testing this 61% of the Fibonacci's level from the daily time frame, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and currently the price action is staying between the support level of 1916 and resistance level of 1922. If the price action continues its bearish side retracement, breaking the current support level of 1916, next level of support is going to be around 1912, 1909, 1905, 1902 and 1895 on the bearish side. And to fall further, it has to break this daily time frame trend line or the support line, based on which we can get the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame. And if the price action bounces back from this current support level of 1916 and continues its bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1922, and once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 1930, 1934 and 1939. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, currently it is trading in a resistance zone where this level had acted as a support zone in the past price action, and currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1918 and resistance level of 1924. If the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, breaking the current support level of 1918, next level of support is going to be around 1913, 1909, 1903 and 1894 on the bearish side. And if the price action takes supports on the current support level of 1918 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, immediate resistance is going to be around 1924, 1933 and 1940. For the 30 minutes time frame, you can draw one more trend, the support line, and if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, so we can expect the price action to take support on the previous support line or the trend line, and only when the price action breaches this support line, we can expect it to continue its bearish side retracement for 30 minutes time frame. And for now, the current trend of the price action for 30 minutes time is in a bullish trend, as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video.